Hello, my name is Prateek. I'm from Team Kunobi, and I'm here to showcase how you can port forward pods on your clusters to your local machine in seconds using Kunobi. Let's get started. I'm on the Kunobi desktop application, navigating to clusters, connecting to my local cluster for this example, navigating to the resources, and filtering for pods. I can now filter for Grafana. I want to port forward port 3000 on my Grafana pod, and I start. I see it's already forwarding. Let's check. And there we have it. We have done this in seconds. With that, you can try Kunobi today. We are in open beta. You can download it from our website. And um, looking forward to hearing all about your experience using Kunobi. See you in the next one. Ciao.